Hey guys, and welcome. Today it's a new review of the Toyota Axio 2015. So if you're interested to know about the specs, the maintenance costs, and of course the pricing, this is the place to be. So we're going to subdivide 18 several parts. We're going to see the fuel consumption, its exterior specs, interior and comfortability, storage, the safety of the vehicle, the engine and the engine bay, its maintenance and servicing, and of course pricing. So before I go on, please consider subscribing so that you can give me the morale to continue doing such videos. So it's of course a sedan that comes with a 1.5 liter 1NZ FE engine. It could also come with a 1.5 1NZ FXE hybrid engine that also comes with the Toyota Prius. Also would also come with a 1.8 liter 2ZL engine that is also in the Toyota Vitz. So it's a 5-seater and it's a deal for family and taxi. So the fuel consumption, the vehicle, its tank is around 36 liters to 40. So if you're using the vehicle with the 1.5 liter 1NZ FE engine, it can go for up to 18 kilometers per liter. That is considerably good, and especially if you're in Kenya, and way better if you're using the 1NZ FXE hybrid vehicle that would run for 34 kilometers per liter. So I would actually definitely prefer the hybrid vehicle. So there's also the 2ZL FE engine, which is having a 1.5 liter engine that can go for 14.5 kilometers per liter. So with the interior of the vehicle, the exterior, so the vehicle comes with either the modern or the new shape or the older Axio that you have been used to. In this case, I have photos of the new. So as you can see, it looks better, it looks more modern, and by the way, what makes it distinctive is the front grille. They say it's premium and stylish. I also agree with it. So it also have headlights that are majorly of xenon type, while the tail lights are made of LED. So that improves on the way you see things while driving, and especially at night. So the road wheels are also of two types. It could come with a normal road wheel that comes from the past shape, but the modern one has alloy limbs, and also especially that one of the hybrid one, it's totally alloy. But the other, the non-hybrid one could either come with alloy limbs or not. That is also dependent on the cost of the vehicle. So on the interior, the vehicle comes with a way much better look as compared to the past. First of all, it's a 5-seater with the compartment fitted with the comfortability of the sedan of such a type. Toyota calls it the frugal system design to achieve everything. So the front of compartment is able to fit 2 people. Both the gear knob, and the steering wheel are covered with leather, and the other is totally covered with the plastic, and therefore increasing the lifespan of the interior. I totally agree with that. Also in the interior, as you can see, the Toyota Corolla Axio has quite a big infotainment system. Yes, that I agree. It helps in vehicle navigation as well as entertainment. So the automatic gear lever is also very well placed, this increasing comfortability while driving. The vehicle also have front side pockets, seat pockets, and center box and glove box. There is ample space to store your stuff. Yeah, and I like it, and for a sedan like that, it's worth it. On the storage part, it's about 500 liter volume. That is a boot, and for me, if it's a normal family, not so much, that is enough. And again, if you are using it for Uber or whatever, it's also better. So next, we're gonna look at the safety. So the vehicle has a start and stop mechanism, and therefore increasing security. It has reverse rear camera installed too. The car has a pre-crash system that determines object ahead of you, initializing braking and crash precautions. It has a lane departure warning alert telling you when you are actually out of lane. That is a plus, you know. It has a system that automatically lowers high beam lights when a vehicle is approaching. The other normal safety systems are the traction control, available in any vehicle, modern vehicle, the ABS, the front and side curtains, side airbags, that's a plus. A driver knee and passenger just seat caution airbag, that is also good. Let's go on. The engine comes with either 1.5 liter condensate engine, as we said, or the 1.51 NZ FXE hybrid, or the 1.8 liter 2ZR engine. Today we shall focus on the 1 NZ FE, which we have for sale now as of June 2022 here in Kenya. So firstly, it's a 1497cc, or what you call the 1.5 liter petrol engine. It's naturally aspirated, therefore no turbocharger. It produces 54 kilowatts of power, or 111 newton meters of power. So it's literally the same. So now the power to weight ratio is so the power to weight ratio is 47:4. It has a direct fuel injection that is electronic sequential. It's a VVTi engine with the dual overhead cams. So the reason I'm saying this is not to give automotive jargon, but to show you that the spares are already there, especially because there are other many Toyota cars that comes with the same engine. So there it's a plus for you, so you don't have to waste time searching for spares everywhere. That's economical. So on the general maintenance and servicing, we're going to look at normal servicing, that is oil change, filters and air cleaners change, and others. So in terms of oil, oil change should be done on intervals of 5,000 kilometers to 10,000 kilometers. The engine oil should be specifically 5W30 or 10W30 SJ or higher for the 1NZFE. If you are doing a filter change, the oil input to the engine usually is 3.7 liters. If not, it's just 3.4 liters, which should be enough. So next, the oil filter and the air cleaners, as you can see, should be replaced when doing a major service, of course. The light spares must be installed. More on that, check on our website listed below, that is autodiagnosticskenya.co.ke. The oil filter should be part of the part number 909151003, and the air cleaner should be of that part number. Be careful on it. Ask your mechanic. Many mechanics who've been doing servicing on this will provide you the right spares. So again, when time comes for replacing spark plugs, this is also very important. They come with either two types, that is the Denso or the NGK. So the part number are listed below, so also be careful if you are doing a change for the 1NZFE engine. Make sure you're using this, otherwise you're going to find yourself in problems you've never wanted to. So be very careful. So again, transmission servicing is very important, especially if you've imported a vehicle that have been working 4 years, 5 years abroad. Yeah, because what you do majorly here in Kenya, we import vehicles that are not more than 4 or 5 years, so since the day of manufacture. And most of us do not do transmission oil change, so I've always advised people to do transmission oil change. Are going to be disappointed very soon, so be very careful. So the light transmission oil, and especially for the 1NZFE engine, transmission is the Toyota Service 3 fluid. You can get it at Toyota Kenya. Just the other day I was searching it all over Glock and I never found it. So yeah, for the hybrid, it's a special one. So you can contact me if you're in Kenya. I'm going to look for you. I'm going to get to you, and I'm going to send to you if you really need it. So my contacts are on our website or just here below. So finally, the pricing as of June 2022, the vehicle is currently costing at 1.6 million. So for more, check on our website. The prices might change with time, so be very careful. But if you're watching it now, as of June 25th 2022, the price is at 1.6 million. Thank you. Please consider subscribing. Nawapenda.